Many experiments require precise time control, and a timer function can automate this process. Timer functionality, programmable timer, feature. Most modern micro-high-speed refrigerated centrifuges include a programmable timer. Importance. Allows for precise control over the centrifugation duration. Digital display. A digital display shows the remaining time and other settings. Importance. Provides clear and real-time feedback during operation. Auto shutoff function. The centrifuge automatically stops at the end of the program time. Importance. Ensures safety and prevents over-centrifugation. Multiple protocols. Capability. Some models allow for the programming of multiple protocols with different time settings. Importance. Streamlines the process for complex experiments. Flexibility. Options. Users can select from a wide range of time intervals, typically from seconds to hours. Importance. Accommodates a variety of experimental needs. The timer function of a micro-high-speed refrigerated centrifuge is essential for automating precise time control in experiments. To learn more about our range of micro-high-speed refrigerated centrifuges, or if you have any questions regarding the timer function, please contact me through my email provided on my homepage. I will respond within 24 hours.